चाचू, मुझे डेली रूटीन का असाइनमेंट मिला था ना, वो मैंने कर लिया है। आप मेरा असाइनमेंट सुने। I wake up early in the morning. After that, I take shower and brush my teeth. After that, I leave my home at 6 o'clock for school van. Then I reach my school at 7:25 a.m.
Okay,
Then I learn from various teachers.
okay,
And I do not speak during lecture, and I do not bother my teachers.
I do not bother.
I do not bother my teachers.
Okay.
Then I come back home at 2:45 p.m. After that I sleep, and after that I awake and eat lunch. Then I recite a Holy Quran, the Holy Quran, and perform namaz. Okay. After that, I go to play in garden with my friends already. Then after that, I watch TV. Then I learn English from my chachu.
Okay.
Then I spend my time with my family members. No one speaks English. That's why I speak English with myself and with my chachu.
Okay.
Then we play and we watch TVs, or then we eat dinner and we sleep at 1 o'clock.
Okay, Horan, good, very good. Your routine was good, but what about your brothers or cousins' routine? What about Musfira's routine? Can you tell me Musfira's routine?
Yes,
Okay, then.
my cousin Musfras wakes up at any time.
Okay.
Then she eat breakfast.
She eats.
She eats breakfast and then she takes shower. After that, she play with my cousins or brothers.
She plays.
She plays
Word
with
के
my
साथ ऐसे
cousins.
लगेगा, subject TPS है.
She plays with my cousins and brothers. After that she go to buy cookies. She goes to buy cookies with her father.
Okay.
And she sleep at 12:30 a.m. She sleeps at 12:30 a.m.
Okay. Your daily routine was okay, but you were not good at telling Musfira's daily routine. क्योंकि जब हमारा सब्जेक्ट ही, शी, इट या फिर कोई एनी नेम होगा तो हम वर्ब के साथ एस, ई एस, आई एस का इजाफा करते हैं। ये मैंने सिखाया था मेरी वीडियो में, जिसमें आपने प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनिट सीखा था। तो आपको प्रैक्टिस की मज़ीद ज़रूरत है, ठीक है। आप मज़ीद प्रैक्टिस करेंगी तो आपका प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनिट और बेहतर हो जाएगा, ठीक है
जी। हमारी वीडियो को लाइक करें, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और आगे शेयर करें। लाइक करें और सब्सक्राइब करें। कमेंट बॉक्स में ज़रूर बताइएगा। अस्सलाम वालेकुम।